In this video, I will go over how to log out of other devices on Brawl Stars. To do this, what you want to do is not actually open up Brawl Stars, but go to Gmail or Outlook or whatever email service you use. Then, in the email that is connected to your Supercell account, go to search for Supercell. You will see a bunch of emails that you have gotten from Supercell. If someone has been logged onto your account, you will get an email like the one I have right here. That's in Dutch, but basically it says a new device has been added. What you can do is click on this sort of pink button that says, "This is not my device." When you click on that, then from there you will have a button that says, "Sign out of all devices." For me, it's in Dutch, but I can actually make it English right here so you can see it says, "Log out on all devices." You want to go and click on that button. Now, if you can't instantly find that email, just go and search for Supercell ID and then warning. And that's basically a warning that a new device is signed in. Now, if you don't have any, that means that nobody has signed in on your account. So that also means that you don't have to log out of other devices because none of them are logged in. So now you know how to log out of other devices on Brawl Stars. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.